If your gas-powered pressure washer is running rough, here are the top 4 most probable causes. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also create a clog in the fuel filter, which can cause the pressure washer to run rough. We recommend replacing the filter with a new one. As fuel is consumed, the level in the fuel tank lowers. To make up for this, fuel caps have small vent holes to allow air into the tank. If the vent holes are blocked by buildup or debris, air will not be able to enter the tank, creating a vacuum that can cause the engine to run rough. You can replace the fuel cap with a new one to solve this problem. A dirty air filter can cause the pressure washer to run rough as well by restricting the air coming into the carburetor. The air filter should be replaced annually or whenever it is visibly soiled. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your pressure washer or the pressure washer's engine to find the specific replacement part that will fix your problem.